B-I-G-Z, VIP we. Every day girl a pray me, I watch me like TV. Lifestyle flash.
This ain't what the fuck I asked for. What the fuck? I didn't ask for these. What the fuck is this shit?
I could have kept my motherfucking money.
I said booty shorts. These is not no fucking booty shorts.
You know what?
I don't want none of this shit. This is my fuck. I ain't asked for none of this shit. I ain't asked for none of this shit. The fuck? Goofy as hell. This is not what the fuck I asked for. Damn. One simple thing I said. All I wanted was a fucking Pandora fucking chain, the earrings, and a fucking ring. That's all I wanted. You come bringing all this unnecessary goofy ass shit. I didn't want this shit.
Yo, Bellevue ENT. You remember when we used to dream to live